Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today episode we're gonna talk about this EVC iDrive control for Honda Odyssey. But most of the car can also put this controller into your car for performance and accelerating faster, respond faster for your car. If your car is big like a Honda Odyssey, like the SUV or some 4-wheel drive, there's not enough power in the acceleration, or use too many people in the car, too heavy, this is the one you need. So have a look how to install and performance, how to use this controller. Hope you like it. Remember, share, like and subscribe. Let's go. So basically you unput that button. There's a button here, unput it and put your cable into that. That's the cable they come with. And then you plug into it. It's only 5-second job. Once you plug into it, connect with your car. So you can see after I install it in a really good position. It's just hiding at the bottom, not on the top here. Obvious you got a controller, so it's really small. How to use this is this is already all off. So when you click on it, that's automatic. That's nothing, that's just a standard. So that means off. So this economic, I don't use economic, and ultimate. Okay, this ultimate means ultimate performance. So you can have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, from 1 to 9. So normally I will use it 3, 5 or 6, and then I don't using 9. 9 is too much for me, and the car is, you feel the power. So automatic, so I'm gonna try this automatic and then feel mode for you guys. So I recommend it when you guys not using, when I off the car, I normally would just turn it off. But when I really need to use the controller, I will just turn it off, click on 2 buttons, so 2 times they'll go automate. But you're gonna be a fast mode, so you click 3 times. So okay, try again. So when on the car, I was like this. I know that I'm gonna use the power, more power, or I drive to a road trip, or maybe too many people on the car. You click 3 times, 1, 2, 3, automatic. So you don't need to worry anything. But if you think you can set this on 3, then if you're off, for example, if you don't want an automatic, you want an automate performance on the level that you already set normally. So you click 1, 2 times, then auto 3. So automate 3. Alright, I click that now. You can see already up to 4,000. Retest. On around 5,000. So I'll do again. I'm on highway 90 on a rev of 2.5. So I'm gonna kick down now. Ready? Go. You can hear the power. How quick is that? Because we are on the highway now, I'm gonna change the ultimate to level 9. So this is level 9. Keep this respawn 2,000 reps now. So I'm gonna kick down. Ready? 3, 2, 1. It's so fast. The respawn is from 2,000. Once I kick down, it's up to 5,000. Another 1,000 jump up to 3,000 with the ultimate 9. So this is how the iDrive EVC giving you the performance. They won't change any warranty of your car. Now I'm gonna change this to an automatic. I'm still in highway. So I like automatic because they are not that crazy. They're not that high response to the rev so fast. So if you accelerate just a little bit, you can control it. So it's only like 3,500. Just light accelerate. So if I go hard accelerate now, I go a little bit more deep in the middle of my foot. If you're looking for the model of car, I suggest that you go to the website down below to take a look. Is your car, I mean, if this controller support to your car, a BMW, it's non-turbo car, I think. I'm not sure turbo car, but you can have a look. The controller price is around 240 to 280, but sometimes you might see something on sale. The controller is the same, it's only the adapter to shoot on different cars. Wait for the good timing. I bought my one, it's really cheap. I bought my one, it's Australia, only 180. I don't represent any sponsor ship for this controller. I just do it myself for this video. What do I feel about this controller is very good. I super like it. I don't need to change computer, I don't need to change exhaust, I don't want too loud of my car output. I got a HKS air intake system. I think that's good, super good enough for me for family car driving. And I always thinking this kind of controller is hard to drive. I used to got a Golf Volkswagen R32, the V6 3.3 liter. So same thing is NA car. NA car, you need a lot of air and power goes into your car, so your rev must be high. So I hope you guys like today's episode about the iDrive. I hope this video help you and help your friend. Please share and like and subscribe. More video are coming up. This is me. Hope you like it. Coach Rocky channel. See you soon. Stay safe. Bye.